Hello, welcome again. We are solving GATE 2022 XE fluid mechanics paper. Question number 31 is consider an inviscid flow through a smooth pipe which has pitted static tube arrangement as shown. Find the central line velocity in the pipe. Consider that the density of the fluid is 1000 kilogram per meter cube. Acceleration due to gravity is 10 meter per second square. The specific gravity of the magnetic fluid is 11. Option A 2 meter per second, option B 3 meter per second, C 5 meter per second, and D 7 meter per second. Okay, this is your 20 mm, this is 300 mm, this is direction of flow. Okay, so this is the arrangement. Okay, this is 300 mm, and this at this point the velocity is 0 when the fluid is entering here. The velocity is 0 because velocity is maximum at the center line and 0 at near the wall. Okay, suppose at this line the pressure is P. Okay, pressure is P. Now this is 1 represents the start of magnetic fluid, and 2 represent 2 and 3 are on the horizontal line and represent the level of magnetic fluid in the left lip. Okay, and suppose V is the velocity that is entering in the center line from the center line in the left lip. Okay, and at below 3 and below 2 there is magnetic fluid. So at 3 and at 2 the pressure will be same. Okay, now we will balance the pressure at 3 and 2 and find out velocity. So here suppose pressure is P. Here pressure is P. Okay, and the pressure is P, and here the head is 1000 into 300 into 10 by 1000. Okay, so rho GH, okay, G is 10 and H is 300. Okay, and 300 by 1000 meter. Okay, so here the pressure we are finding the pressure at 2. So up to now we have found out the pressure at 1. Okay, P pressure here plus this pressure pressure due to head above 1, and the pressure due to this 1 due to magnetic fluid between 1 and 2 is 11 into 1000 into 20 into 10 divided by 1000. Okay, 20 by 1000 is in meter, and this is the density of the magnetic fluid, and 10 is G. Okay, so this is the pressure at section 2. Okay, now on the left limb, this the pressure P plus this 300 mm will act. Okay, will act P plus 300 into 1000 plus 10 into 1000. Okay, so this is up to this level, and there is one more pressure due to velocity of the fluid, that is dynamic pressure, that is rho V square. Rho is your 1000 and V square by 2. So this is your dynamic pressure. Okay, this will also act, and uh, and the pressure to the fluid between 1 and 3. So this is the fluid. The fluid is here. The fluid is water, or the fluid is having density 1000. Okay, so this pressure is 1000 into 10 into 20 by 1000. So this is the total pressure in the left limb. It is a combination of P plus this head plus this head. Okay, plus dynamic pressure. Okay, now PP will cancel out. This will also cancel out, and now we have 1000 into V square by 2 is equal to this quantity. So V square is equal to 4 and V is equal to 2 meter per second. So answer is A. Okay. Next, the speed of propagation C of a capillary wave depends on the density of fluid rho, wavelength of wave lambda, and the surface tension mu. If the density and wavelength remain constant, having surface tension would halving the surface tension would lead to new velocity c dash, given by a c dash is equal to 2c, b c dash is equal to root 2c, c dash is equal to c by root 2, d c dash is equal to c. Okay, so now it is given that the c is a function of density, wavelength, and surface tension. Okay, and surface tension. Okay.